Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is about the good stuff that I just got and I want to unbox it with you guys because I like the stuff and I want you guys to have the same stuff as well. So we're gonna open it together, and if you like what I got, you need to go and order yours as well because it's gonna be amazing stuff as well. Because if I got good stuff I didn't let you guys, that's not fair because it's a very cool stuff. No, yeah, but I believe it's gonna be amazing because I know what I order. Then when we open it together, I'm thinking, am I gonna like it? Yes or no? I don't know, but I believe I'm gonna like it. So let's see, the stuff is here. So let's open it together in a very gentle way, nice way, calmly way. So I don't think I'm gonna return it back because I like it already. So let's open it. Let's see how they're gonna look. Are they gonna look cool? Yes or no? Look, guys, very cool. Look at the packages. The package is amazing. That's it. We don't need that. So this is it. I like it. Thank you for the packages. If you're looking for where you're gonna get this stuff, this is where you can get them. It's amazing stuff as well. So see how they wrap it for me. Very nice. Very cool. So be patient. Look at that. I like the packages and everything. The way they wrap it. Amazing. So this is the store. Look at that. I say amazing. So let's pull all these away gently. This is very nice. Amazing. Look. Loewe sunglasses. That's it. Very cool. Very patient. Let me take care out. You guys can see. Like this is really cool. You guys see what the noise? This is cool. Does it not look cool? This is amazing. Look, guys, very cool. I like it. Do you guys not like it? How do you guys say? Does it look cool? Look at that. Amazing sunglasses. So let me check inside. Let me see what they put it in. Cool. Loewe sunglasses. Amazing. The packages and everything just cool. Look, guys. Cool stuff. What is inside again? And give me a lot of stuff in there. Oh, so I can wipe the in case it's there. So this is the cloth. You can wipe it and looking cool, looking nice. So can I wipe your face or put it on to see how they're gonna look? I think I should wipe your face. So let's see. I need to be patient. I need to be very cool. Let me put the sunglasses there. Very nice stuff as well. I'm quite happy as well because it's kind of nice and I was not even expecting how it looked. Well, I'm quite impressed. Even though I haven't put it on yet, but I can tell it's cool sunglasses. So let's say if you're looking for nice sunglasses, this is it. Look, it's sleek. The cloth, very nice cloth as well, very sleek. Yeah, there's a. If you check it, this is something on the cloth as well. Look, the print going on it as well. That logo on there, amazing. So that's cool. I put that there, put them back. So let's clean the sunglasses. Very cool. Nice. This is cool. I can't even see myself with it. Okay, let's go. Is it gonna be cool or no? This is cool already. I like the vibe. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? I think I like the vibe. Very classic, very cool, very dapper, very fresh. Amazing. Honestly, just cool. It's just nice. You can't say no. You can't say no with these sunglasses. Amazing sunglasses as well. Just in case you're looking for any cooler sunglasses, this is it. This is a vibe. I like the vibe as well. I'm kind of cool, fresh, dapper as well. I don't think I regret these sunglasses. Honestly, And the case as well, very nice case. Look at that. Amazing. Everything just cool. I like it. I like it. Very cool. If you're looking for any nice sunglasses, this is it. You need to go and get yours as well. I'm quite happy. Like I got these sunglasses and I'm quite kind of vibe sunglasses as well. Fit me properly, and I believe they're gonna fit you too properly. It's amazing as well. Coolest sunglasses ever. The sunglasses just too cool. Just amazing. I like the vibe as well. With the second outfit that we're styling together to see if the sunglasses looking cool. I don't know, but I believe they're looking really cool, really nice. You can feel the vibe. Amazing. Me too, I'm quite happy as well. The vibe and everything. Coolest vibe. Just in case you're looking for any sunglasses, this is the best sunglasses you can have. And I believe you're going to like it. Trust me. The case, I like it. You can just put it here. The way, honestly, look at that. Still looking cool, looking fresh as well, and it's kind of padded as well. I'm liking it. You know, when you go good stuff and you like the vibe, it fits everything, you'll be happy. And you too, you need to go and get these sunglasses. Honestly, you won't regret it, because any day, anytime when you start in these sunglasses, you're gonna be really cool, really stylish every day, and people will look you like, kind of, that guy is cool. I like his vibe, because they can see how cooler it is. I like the vibe. Honestly, I'm not joking. Does it not look cool? Be honest. Look, does it not look cool? It does, and that's how it's gonna look really cool on you. Just put your trousers on, put your round neck on, amazing. Then you put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, your necklace, put them on. Then if you fancy bucket hat, put it on. But if you don't fancy any hats or bucket hat, don't put it on. Adjust your hair, braid your hair, cut your hair, do all kind of nice stuff. Put hairspray on your hair. You're gonna be amazing. Let your hair shine normally, nice, cool. Then you put your sunglasses on. Then you're gonna be really looking really cool. Amazing, amazing. This is sunglasses as well. Look, the name there, Loewe. This is the coolest sunglasses ever, and I'm happy the way he look on me. Very cool. Honestly, I'm feeling the vibe. You know, when you're feeling the vibe, you kind of happy. Like you go to sunglasses because you're just cool. You're just too cool. Like it's just amazing. You can feel the vibe. Like this is it. You're not regretting it as well, and it's kind of cool, amazing, vibing as well. I'm quite happy, honestly, and I'm enjoying it, and I want you guys to enjoy it as well, because it's amazing sunglasses. And I got the other sunglasses as well, the Gucci one, but this one kind of cool too. So the one that you feel like you can kind of style, either to get a Gucci one or this one, it's still gonna be amazing as well. But I can't lie you, the Loewe sunglasses is really cool. Very big, very massive. The side, the logo there, amazing. And the cloth as well. Where's the cloth? And the cloth as well, very nice cloth as well. It's a print on it as well, very slick. If you wipe it straight away, everything just disappear. Look, guys, very nice. Look, very cool. You need to go and get these sunglasses. Ladies, men, gentlemen, you will look cool on it. Trust me. Don't say that because it's a woman's sunglasses. No, it's a unisex. You can style it as well, and you're gonna be bold, stylish, cool, vibing as well. I like it. I can't wait to start these and step out. I'll be getting a lot of compliment from left, from right, and they will be giving you a lot of compliment as well, because people will know you're cool. Trust me, they will know you're cool, because you can see how fresh, how vibing I am right now, because I'm feeling the cool vibe right now. I'm feeling it. And you too, you're going to be feeling it as well. So there's something coming to mind. Let me just try and see how it's going to look with my bag as well. Look, does it not look cool together? This is amazing. Let me see if it look cool together. Yeah, this is cool. This is amazing. Very simple, stylish as well. Look, everything just amazing. The sunglasses and the whole outfit just cool, and I like it, the vibe as well. Don't forget, do everything that I did. Put my shoe on, trousers on, then you put your t-shirt on. Then again, I put my sunglasses on, the wristwatch, the bracelet, the necklace, Coolest vibe as well. I put my bucket hat on. Amazing. And don't forget as well, you need to spray yourself roll-ons, any perfume you go, put it on, because when you put it on, you're gonna be looking really cool, smelling nice. The vibe just gonna be amazing together all the way through. Look, does it not look cool? It does. And me too, I like this vibe. I'm checking myself like, why this looks so cool? Everything is just amazing. I like the vibe, very cool, very street vibe as well. The sunglasses just leave everything up as well. You won't regret these sunglasses if you go these sunglasses as well, because you're gonna be vibing. And if you use the power, people will know you're cool and they will give you the compliment that you deserve. So let's move on. Honestly, the way sunglasses, amazing sunglasses as well. You need to go and get yours. You won't regret it as well. Any outfit you style it with, you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be cool. Coolest vibe as well. You see, I put shirts on as well with different trousers on, and I put ankle boots on, Burberry one on. You see how fresh. Then I put the vest up underneath to keep it a bit more fresh, cool, stylish as well, calm, a little bit nicer and fresh, cool. Look, the case as well is amazing. Look how the case, like, very nice case as well. I like it. Padded case as well. Just hold it like that, just in case you don't want to put it on, you put it back again. Nice sunglasses that you can have, and you're gonna be looking really cool, fly every day. You see, I didn't put my hat on. Just your hair, braid your hair, comb your hair, cut your hair, do all nice stuff to your hair, and spray your hair with the hair product. You're gonna be amazing as well. You see how cool I look with these sunglasses? You're gonna be even cooler, nicer, more than the way I'm looking right now. And people will give you compliment because they know you deserve it. If I go anywhere like this, people will be looking at me like with my sunglasses like, that guy is cool, I like his vibe. You can see how fresh, how cool these sunglasses look on me, and amazing. I like it. You know, when you're looking for cool, it's like amazing, stand out, bold, cool, any vibe sunglasses, this is it. And people will check you, and again, they will be looking like, that guy is cool, I like his vibe. And they will want to speak to you, they will come closer because they know you're cool, because you vibing with the sunglasses as well. They can't wait not to give you a compliment. They will give you a compliment because they know you deserve it. Amazing sunglasses. I'm looking myself like, why are these sunglasses so cool? You see, when I go the holder, when I didn't let you guys have it, that's not cool. That's why I like to unboxing with you guys, because when I'm unboxing the stuff, the item that I got, I know it's gonna be good stuff for me, but I don't know if you're gonna like it or not. But for me to like it, definitely you're gonna like it as well. Or for good of me, for looking cool, stylish on me, it's gonna be even more stylish on you too. Just try them because you won't regret it. You see the way I'm looking right now, you're gonna even looking more better than me if you do so, because you can see how fresh this is looking me. Amazing. What about you? If you start these sunglasses or you go and get yourself as well, it's a different color, but I don't know, the other color is gonna be looking really cool, but this color is amazing and I like it. The white frame and the kind of gold lens as well, kind of yellow, kind of gold lens. It's amazing. I like it. Cool. So you won't regret it as well. Just get these sunglasses then. When you start it, look yourself in the mirror. You're gonna be even happy for yourself. I don't even know how these sunglasses gonna look. When I'm doing the other, it's cool. When I see the picture, it's nice, but when you put it on yourself, that's a different level. When you open it, you didn't know, yeah, it's cool, you like it, but when you put it on, that's a different level. And when you style them together with any outfit, they just cool. You see the first one, cool. You see the second outfit, amazing. You see the third one, they're all looking cool every time you style these sunglasses, and you won't regret it at all because it's amazing sunglasses. Look at that, coolest sunglasses you can have. The case, there's a different case that I always go for. This one case is just too cool. I like it. Amazing. I'm feeling kind of relaxed the way the sunglasses made my outfit look, and I'm not regretting. Like, I ordered these sunglasses and I believe you're not gonna regret it as well. These sunglasses for ladies, gentlemen, and it's unisex. You're gonna be really looking cool if you start. Don't think, oh, it's a ladies women's sunglasses. No, it's a gentleman like you, like me. You can style them And if you think you can start it, now you can see I'm showing you guys like you can start it and you're gonna be even more bolder, confident, excellent, awesome, amazing. And people will be looking like that guy is awesome. I like his vibe. They will give you a compliment, trust me, if you step out. So let me know if you like these sunglasses, yes or no. Go to the comment section, let me know, because I believe I like these sunglasses and pick which one I feel that look cool more with the sunglasses. The first one, the second one, the third one. But I like the three of them. They look cool with the sunglasses because it's amazing sunglasses as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, coolest, handsome people another day. Take care.